All at this man game by right now. We go to Niboshe. You come to Bossal fishing. And you see game by day. Challenge ball. Challenge it. Keep going with it. Bye. What you can rod is all miniature we made. Who made? Watch it. Watch this.
Yay, we got a fish. As you can see. We got a fish.
What kind of fish is this?
Big
It's
sardine.
sardine, original.
And Trinidad, the fellas.
Trinidad. I time to buy the new bottle of fish there. I know. We didn't know we was coming out fishing. So, don't ask. Buy the new bottle.
Yes, a Trinidad fish. Yeah, sardine.
River. What you can revive fishing in then? Really nice river.
That was being, but we didn't come for that.
How many sardines are in the bottle and a watermelon, as you can see. You keep find it. It went in. Wait, it's shining up in the bottle. Like a tire by Sheila boy. You make a fish in there? When you done there? This one is going to throw back next line there. Right there. Training line right there, so. And the cock is gone. It's going. It's gone.
I didn't see that one coming there, no?
He didn't see that one coming. The bait almost gone. And this fish go with it. Pull. I go and take a try after this, see if I can hold anything. I'll show it to you guys. These fish, we are not going to eat it. We are going to put it in a miniaturizer pond in his backyard. Show your face. Show your face. Okay, he gonna try back in the water over there. You can see how the water clean over there and how the water dirty because it's our next river coming over here. And that's how the water coming from, so but it getting dirty when it reach to over here. You can try back. He take it by Sheila boy. Again. This man is hoping to hold a big sardine and a coscarab. Well, or a coscarab. Came out. The fish jumping there. They're called pre or Swiss fish. Some people call it, or river goldfish. 3 names. Hey! Coconut going underwater. Why is he? he now dropped the fish.
Have a fast crab come
That
out.
is this is the cork right here. One pointing. That right there. Me a chance it? Because I can't hold anything. Is all the line? Okay, that's all the line. We trying to experiment today.
What's the video?
Okay, I'm going to pause the video here, and I will show you the rest of fish when we're going to put it in the fish pond. Bye.